Hello guys, welcome back to If Labs. This is Fars, and today we're gonna continue improving FEAI. Okay guys, welcome back. There is new things about AI, and today we're gonna continue improving other features. And the main goal today is to add another LLM model. So in order to for the FAI be able to have a multiple models, also for better performance, we are trying to make improvement. So yeah, let's just getting started. So yep, let's open Codex. So right now we just run the project. And guys, just to mention this, at the last progress we made, yep, day 5, we made voice integration, but only speech to text. So it says text to speech video will be for Patreon members. So we already added at first we added Piper, but Piper was not suitable for our architecture. But later we replaced it with Kokora. Kokora is a C++ based software, and we are using it right now on the 8012. Okay, and along with Kokoro, we are using a model in order to provide speech, text to speech, in order to convert the transcript to speech. So today we're gonna test that also. But before we do that, right now we're gonna tell Codex to add this LLM model in order to work on it. So before talking about what's the LLM model, I would like to explain this thing about Codex here. The new model appeared for released for ChatGPT is 5.6 SOL. Okay, but during our work and test, it turned out it's not good. Its performance is not good, so we get back to the 5.5, and we are now still using it. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to take a screenshot here of to tell Codex what's the current progress of our FAI and what else we need. Yep, as always, we have architecture flow. So this architecture flow contains three routes, one for text voice that we already integrated, and the other one is image attaching, image visioning, like image projection. We already implement this, and the other one is image generation. We already did this. The only part that we are adding is this model LFM 2.5 1.2b instruct q80.gguf. Okay, so we're gonna give this code, this architecture to the codex, and we will tell to make this change. Okay, so let's open up the picture picker, and on the complete architecture flow. Okay guys, what else we need to tell? As always, let's open FEAI. We just downloaded LFM model inside the model folder, and there is one folder for the LFM, and we're gonna take this screenshot, tell that it is in that place. Okay, let's make like this. Okay, so far this 3 screenshot is enough. Okay, guys, another thing we need to take screenshot for the codecs is this. We just lately added instant menu up, menu up bar. So this is where we gonna tell codecs to add the LFM model. Okay, guys, so we just gave order to do the implementation. Okay, we gave four screenshot. One is the current FEAI progress, and the other one is architecture flow for LFM model, and the other one is where is the LFM model placed inside the file structure, and the fourth screenshot is the instant menu up. Is to tell codecs whenever user switches from a model it must change. So right now it says got it. I'm going to wire LFM in in as a selectable text model, then update the instant model menu so user can pick between gamma 4 and LFM without disturbing small VLM vision. I'll first trace the current model selection path from the menu to the Laravel request and into. Okay, so right now he's doing the update. So the last update we done for the Patreon members, we added this open up menu. Also, what we else we did. So just to remind you guys, we added a small VLM light model. It's the only specification dedicated for image projections. What it means it can read image faster and it can generate image faster, even faster from gamma projection model. This is what we done. Yep, and we also added voice integration speech to text. Now the speech to text is completely working perfectly. We're gonna wait for the LFM model to be complete, then we're gonna start by testing chat and voice conversation. Okay, guys, so now Codex just finished the implementation, so let's see what he says. Done LFM is integrated in live. I added LFM to the AI model registry using these, and the instant menu now includes FEAI local. That's great, and also wire the architecture flow carefully if the user selects. That's great. Okay, let's jump on it and test. Okay, so now we have the instant menu up and we have this model. This is Vision, small VLM light, and yep, we just added this. So LFM 2.5. Let's select and ask something. Hello? Oh, it's very fast. Hello, how can I assist you? I am here to provide clear information. Okay, how are you in programming? Language. Oh shit, this is very fast. I'm designed to understand and work with programming. I can explain language, syntax, and all. That's great. Okay. Let us give a try for more inquiry. Okay. Okay, here are some well-known actors from around the world: USA, France, UK. Okay, this actor have gained international. Okay, oh, okay. So he just named it, but I guess there is some problem with the text of. So let's copy this again. Okay, we found this is as a bug. So I'm gonna tell Codex, yep, about this bug in order to be solved. Okay, guys, I just took a screenshot and told Codex that there is a problem with the chat responding. I see it. Some of the response cannot be shown to the user. So he says, I see it. The assistant starts with intro and closing text, but the actual list area collapses away after streaming finish. I'm going to trace the streaming render path and the markdown sanitation path because this smells like tokens are visible while route text is streaming, then final markdown render drops something. So, yep, he's trying to solve this. Okay, guys, the codex just fixed the issue. It says the issue was in the chat UI markdown render model text like Tom Hanks could be treated as a raw HTML. So he just yeah fixed the issue. Let us see how it's responding right now. Let's paste the response. Okay, still like this. So we're gonna try to make a refresh many times. Okay, and see opening a new chat. Let's say the same. Okay, guys, good. Now the issue just has been fixed. It says there are some well-known actors from the United States below for the link film like for so Forrest Gump and Saving Private Ryan. Acclaimed for his both drama and comedy. Okay. Okay, so yep. Okay, here are some well-known tourist destinations around the world. Iconic landmark example of France, ancient fish offering breath views, iconic example of freedom, ancient. So historic castle complex. Okay. Uh, Another question is related to programming. Let's say, can you explain if else in C++? Programming line. Yeah, that's great. He's explaining very well. So if else condition, yeah. Okay, guys, that's great. So now let's go on the voice conversation. Okay, guys, so we just added the voice conversation. Now we're gonna try to test the LFM. Hello. We need to open developer console. So in order to see if there are any error, there are no issues. And we need to close this as well. It's better to open up a new chat and going to the voice conversation. Hello. Uh, yep. Do you hear my voice? Okay, guys, we need to tell Codex whenever we open voice conversation, it just start in listening.
Certainly.
Okay, guys, we just told the Codex it's great, but whenever we just switch to voice conversation, it's stuck on the listening. He just right now tried to answer, and he just already answered, but it was not a smooth conversation. So I just told Codex to make a whisper more sensitive in order to observe a silent moment. So when silent moment is observed, the AI should answer the user's question. Okay, guys, so the code is just finished the bug fixing. It says that Whisper now start listening with sensitive threshold, but uses strong are still speaking threshold, so background noise is least likely to keep back open. Okay, let's just decrease the background music in order to focus on the voice conversation. And yep, let's make a refresh, opening new chat as always, and start. Okay. Hello. I guess there is something wrong with the mic. Let's fix the mic and let's see what mic he is using. Okay, he's using here's the problem. We're gonna give it to the AirPod mic. Okay, so right now it must be better. Let us see if it is stayed on the mic. Okay, okay, let's test again. Hello there. Yes, this time. Oh, okay, we should stop.
Understood. Feel free to ask anytime.
Okay, how are you doing?
I'm functioning well and ready to help. How can I assist you today?
Okay, great. So, what is your model name?
My model is called FE. AI, it's designed to provide clear and helpful responses to your questions.
Okay, do you know who just create you?
I'm not currently aware.
Okay, okay. So what can you help me with today? I am building an AI. So are you good at building AI?
Absolutely.
Okay, so where do you want or how I can start? From where I can start?
You can start by asking.
Okay, that's reasonable. Okay, could you tell me how can I install a Microsoft Word on Mac OS?
Certainly. Here's a simple way to install Microsoft Word on Mac OS 1. Visit the Microsoft Store, open your web browser, and go to the Microsoft Store to search for Microsoft Word. Use the search bar to find Microsoft Word, and select the appropriate version for your Mac 3 download. The installer, click the download button to save the installer file to your Mac 4. Run the installer, open the downloaded file, and follow the on-screen instructions.
Okay, okay. Could you tell me from where I can, which source I can download the Microsoft Word?
Certainly. Here are reliable sources to download Microsoft Word. For Mac OS Microsoft official website, visit www.microsoft.com/software-download/word. For the most up-to-date installer, Apple Store. If you prefer a Mac-optimized version, check that.
Okay, that's great. So one other thing that you are seeing, we already asked those questions and he just answered. But I noticed something, so I'm gonna tell Codex to fix it. So yep, the problem is when it is in the preparing voice stage, it delays to answer. So I'm gonna tell Codex if it's possible to improve this. Okay, guys, I just told the Codex that if it's possible to answer the preparing voice stage answers be more quicker. So let's see what will be his response. So far, the improvement is very great, and LFM it's very fast. Even it's faster than Gamma 4 is heavy and it's very slow in responding on the local computers. So let's see what codec says. I will look at the TTS path next. Preparing voice is emitted by the Kokoro WebSocket while it is synthesized a chunk. So the likely wins are smaller first speech chunks, least queue blocking, and avoiding unnecessary waits before the first audio. Okay, I found the likely bottleneck. Kokoro is invoked as a separate process for each spoken chunk, and the first chunk can still be whole sentence or flashed paragraph. That means the preparing voice waits on synthesizing too much text at once. I'm going to make the first spoken chunk deliberately small and let later chunks queue behind it so you hear API sono. Okay, so he's making this improvement. Let's wait until we see what will be changed to the voice conversation. Okay, guys, he just finished from the implementation. From the bug fixing, it says that the preparing voice delay should feel shorter now because voice mode sends a much smaller first TTS price instead of waiting for a full sentence paragraph. Okay, let's test it again, and we need to decrease the background voice in order to not interfere with the voice conversation test. Let's make a refresh and otherwise let's open up a new chat and let's close the sidebar and open. Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is FE. AI. I'm designed to help with a wide range of questions and tasks.
Okay, FE, could you help me with this issue? I have a Bluetooth mouse and it's not working. Could you tell me how to fix it?
This message seems a bit jumbled exclamation. Let me clarify FEAI is the name of my assistant. It's asking about a location related to a plum tree and Burke. But I think you might be asking, what is a plum tree?
Okay, guys, as you see during testing voice conversation, I just grab a bag and we're gonna tell Codex to fix this and we later on go continue. Okay, guys, let's start up the process that now Codex doing a fix. He just said the bug was from Kokoro CLI interpret the server. What was the causing this? Not LFM. It was from Kokoro. Response chunk started with dash, like is there, and Kokoro CLI interpret that text as a command line option. I'm going to patch the detail server so spoken text can safely begin with dash, and I will also stop raw TTS errors from being shown as they were the user transcript. Okay, guys, so I just fixed the error because Kokoro received today's junk that open with dash, and yep, we just patched the bug. Let's refresh and open up new chat. Okay, and then always we need to decrease the background music because it's necessary. Let's start conversation. Hello there.
Hello, how can I assist you today? I'm here to help with your questions or tasks. Feel free to ask about anything you need.
Okay, I have a problem with my mouse. Can you help me?
Certainly. Let's troubleshoot your mouse issue. Here are some common steps you can try troubleshooting tips. Check connections. Ensure the mouse is
I'm trying to connect. It's a Bluetooth mouse, but it cannot be connected to the computer. Oh, okay. Yeah, do you hear me?
Yes, I understand. If you need further help or run into specific problems, just let me know. I'm here to assist.
Yes, I told you that I cannot connect my Bluetooth mouse to the computer.
I'm sorry too.
Okay, let's see the chat, guys, because I see that told that I cannot connect my mouse. So I'm sorry that let's troubleshoot. Yep, the uh, voice preparation stage it delays, so also it need to be improved. But so far it's great. We added the LFM model, and this LFM model able to respond very fast, faster than Gamma. Okay, guys. So for today is enough. Uh, as always, if you have a question or if you have an opinion about the project and you would like to share your opinion with us, please comment in the video, and we will definitely work on your feedback. Until the next episode, stay tuned. See you next time.